Hello everybody, welcome back to Walk with Moshe. Thank you for joining me. We are at Dubai Knowledge Park. It's the 20th of November and the weather is a pleasant 25 degrees Celsius. Sorry again, it's way too dark for filming a walking video, but what the heck. It brings me back to when I used to study in the Dubai Knowledge Park for my bachelor's degree. Back then, it was called Dubai Knowledge Village. But very recently they changed the name to Knowledge Park. It's Saturday, so I don't expect much people in this area because no one goes to class. Knowledge Park is a huge complex of education organizations and universities and schools. Used to have a lot of good memories over here. It was just 1 year of studies at the University of Wollongong. It's an Australian university. Then I got transferred to Australia for a couple of years to graduate. All right, let's cross the little street over here. Watch out for speeding cars, because you do get a lot of maniacs over here. All right. One thing's for sure is the weather is getting much better. A lot of cool breezes. And right out in the distance, you can see the Burj in blue. Let's head inside. Gotta wear my mask. Strictly prohibited to be spotted not wearing a mask. So this was the main area. This is where we used to go to university. Security guard is a bit uptight over here. Let's just go for a little stroll. I guess, if I'm not mistaken, our classes were here, I think. Security is a bit uptight since the last time I've been here, almost a decade and a half ago. Oh, and this is the food court on our left. Just want to find an entrance to get in. I don't remember. Oh, there it is. Oh, the good times. After every test or class or exam, we used to come and grab a bite over here. A lot of new restaurants opened up. I remember Subway wasn't here. It was on the other side of Knowledge Village back then. There's always been a KFC. That's one thing for sure. Good times. I don't know if we are able to exit from here. Oh yeah, we can. All right. Let's take you on an overall tour. Let me remove my mask. Off. What it felt like to be a student in one of the universities over here. Oh, there you have Murdoch University, a relatively new university that had opened up. Oh, by the way, Knowledge Village, as they used to call it, had opened up back in 2003. And that's when I started my university. I feel old. And they've got the Emirates Driving Institute, that is also very new. And a Pizza Hut over here. Oh, this place has changed a lot since I last came here. Way back. Let's head towards the grassy area. If I'm not mistaken, there used to be a supermarket over here on our left. Ah, there it is. All right, let's walk towards what used to be my university, the University of Wollongong in Dubai. You can see over here, this used to be a stage for student performances and etc. Wasn't really used much, but yeah, it's here. And over here is one of the top rivals of my university, the Middlesex University. if it's there it is, Middlesex University of Dubai. My university's main entrance was right there, and then it expanded to other blocks of Knowledge Village, which is way down there. On these little benches over here, you used to see all the professors and teachers sitting and taking their breaks, having a smoke. And you used to have students coming in, kissing up to them, which is quite typical of any college or university in the world, not just Dubai. This place is pretty deserted. It's a weekend. Looks like Middlesex University has taken over a lot of blocks in Knowledge Park. Hey there, kitty. So this block 15 used to be the second block, which my university had expanded to. But now they have just gone and opened up their own building nearby. They have moved on from Knowledge Park to their own specific building. I remember those two towers being built halfway back then. Now it's all the concrete jungle. Okay, let's head back to the car. Let's try to see if we can go into one of these buildings and film, because these security guards, well, I guess they have their own rules. You're not supposed to film. For what reason, I have no idea. Let's see if everything goes well. Gotta put my mask on again. Hopefully there are no guards. All right, this is what the insides look like. Deserted. Oh wow, the washroom doors, just the same. Gotta be a bit quiet because I don't want to wake up the security guards. Oh, back into darkness. Oh well. Okay. No entry. It's too dark, you guys. Sorry. All right. So might as well just head back to the car. I think I've given you guys a well enough tour of Knowledge Village, aka Knowledge Park. And out we are. Watch out for fast cars. As I said, you get plenty of psycho drivers over here. You gotta watch out for. I really want to do a live stream video, but I can't do it with the GoPro because the GoPro app it requires 1,000 YouTube subscribers in order for them to be able to stream it to your YouTube account. So I'm thinking let's do a live stream from my mobile phone. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. Let's do some live stream fun. I'm walking and you guys can get to choose where you want me to walk in Dubai, which mall or which area. Could be the beach, could be a mall. Dubai is packed with malls. Alright guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more fun.